So welcome in this airdrop video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can join in this particular video. So what is the name? I am confused to spelling this name. 375 AI, so it's the strange name, hard to spelling. Maybe some people would be confused, but never be confused. Just do participate and that's it. Okay, nothing you need to do in here. Okay, what you need to do, just put your email name and that's it. Okay, and for getting update about it, please join our telegram channel. You will get inside of the description box. Check out description box of this video. So here is first thing first, just click on here and there will be opened up through your telegram browser, or you can go through particular browser that you like to do. And here is do scroll a little bit if you do, and if I go to the last page, in here you are seeing that a box of filling the information. Okay, first name put let's say Ranga Finance. Okay, Ranga Finance. Email, put email. Let's say my email is this on. Select what you are inside of this particular website, app user, and click the submit. Immediately it will be verified. So here is verifications bar is being opening, so wait couple of minutes and click this verify you are a human and success. Now click on the submit button, it will be immediately submitted. Okay, so they are saying that thank you, your submission has been received, so your work has been done. Now getting further update about these apps, particular apps, check out description box for check out description box for further update and a newbies airdrop testnet. So I will welcome you in here. Check out description box definitely.